Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft a farmer's workbench in Hytale. The first thing I want you to do is actually craft a normal workbench, and the way you do that, you just press tab on your keyboard, and once you press tab it will open up pocket crafting. From here I want you to click on workbench. You'll actually need any stones. You'll need 3 of these, and you'll need 4 of any type of tree trunk. Just click here on craft, and once you have crafted your workbench, you need some items. So you need plant fibers. The way you get that is you go ahead and destroy these plants, and that will give you plant fibers. And after that, you also need some tree trunks. So you can go ahead and destroy some tree trunks. And once you go ahead and get your tree trunks and plant fibers, come here and press F on your workbench. And then what I want you to do is come here, because we are going to be crafting our farmer's workbench. So click on this icon. This is the crafting section, and then I want you to click on this one. This is the farmer's workbench. You just need 6 tree trunks and 20 plant fibers, and then you just click here on craft, and as you can see, it is currently crafting the farmer's workbench, which we have right here. And I can also just go ahead and place it anywhere I want, so I'll just place that right there. And that is how to craft a farmer's workbench in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It'll really help me out as well.